How do living things actually use light to communicate? We'll be focusing on animals here. There's no coincidence there. It's just that animals are visual creatures in a way that plants, say, are not. Animals have developed a variety of sophisticated schemes to generate and transmit signals between them. This involves some of the things we have already discussed, including the use of pigments and structural color. These elements have been incorporated into some remarkably sophisticated systems that produce time-dependent visual signals, what we call semaphore signaling. Bioluminescence is included in this. Self-generated light is incorporated into signaling systems that not only transfer information, but encrypts it as well. As you watch the videos to follow, I want you to keep two things in mind. First, I want you to be mindful of the nature of codes, in particular how information can be encoded into wave phenomena such as light. This involves more than simply frequency and amplitude. It involves temporal modulation of the signal as well. Second, I want you to be mindful of communication with light as an ecological phenomenon. Specifically, I want you to be thinking about what is it that governs associations between creatures, whether of the same species or of different species. Is it energy? Well, there's certainly a good case for that, but what about information? How does that govern associations between organisms?